Hello everyone, today is a beautiful, wonderful day and I'm about to give you a quick, great tip because if you like me and you're on the go, well, no one got time for sitting there trying to make pots of oatmeal in the morning and all this kinds of stuff. And I know the quick thing to do is go to the store, grab one of these or grab a box of these, and you're spending a lot of money to do it. So I'm going to show you an easier way to do this. So guys, this is what I do. You see this? It says a 25-pound bag of grain mill quick rolled oats. And so I take this and then I break it down to one of these. See? Quick, simple, easy, packaged right, proportioned right, because I don't. Okay, so now, as I said, you're gonna need brown sugar here, and you're gonna need cinnamon, and you're gonna need a food saver, and then the cutter. And after you cut here, you're gonna do this. Make this wide, then you have this whole piece where you cut, and then you move it over here and cut this. Then it comes out in two pieces. So then after you do that, then you will move this over here, and I'm quite sure everyone knows how to work these. You just push it down, you seal the sides, and it's sealing, and so forth. And then let's move on. So then you take one that's full, that's all sealed except the top part, and you put a good spoon of brown sugar and a little teaspoon of cinnamon. Shake it up, and then you go in your bag of oatmeal down here, and you put a full cup of oatmeal in here, one full cup. And then you take it, you see how you got this? You take one of these skewers and you stir it up like this. So, because you want it to be pretty stirred. I guess it doesn't matter if it's stirred up or not, but that's kind of like how I do it. And before long, you seal it and you have one of these bad boys. You make your label with the labeler. You just come over here like so. Let's pretend I got this all shook up. Let's get this out of here. Now we're gonna place this in here. Now we're gonna hit vacuum and seal on this. So, and once you do that, guys, this is sealed and everything's ready to go. And somehow you all, there it is. So you place your labeler on here, pull the tape off, the backing off rather, so you can stick this on. And you place it wherever you want it. And there you have it. A good portion size quick oats. Similar to this. But you're just gonna get lots and lots and lots of bag out of this. Because I went to Costco and bought like 52 bags. And I think it was like, I think the box was $13 or $14. It might have been a little more. But the point about that is, this is all you're going to get once the little 52 bags is gone. How many did you possibly think this bag here is going to make? It's 25 pounds. So, there you go, guys. That's my tip for today. I hope you guys appreciate, the tips or like them. Anyway, I wish you guys all the luck in the world. I want to say thank you all for my subscribers. I appreciate everything you do. I appreciate all the support. And hit the like button and the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And definitely hit the notification so you can stay up whenever I decide to do a video. I'll get to that in another later date. I need to explain to you all why I have been missing in action. So, you guys go out there, do what you do, have fun, enjoy, and I'll holler at you later. Alright, bye.